Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Remove an ad on the right. And as you can see, after that, my search bar is gone. If you wish to restore it, hold your device's screen, tap on widgets at the bottom in the middle, and look for Google app. Tap on it, hold the search bar widget and place it wherever you wish to. Then let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!